Kitchen with Gina Sunderland, registered dietitian with Manitoba Chicken. You know, Gina, you've shared so many recipes with me over the years. I have loved every one of them, and a lot of them have just been added into my repertoire. So I'm really excited to see what we're going to make today, especially because I can see it's got a bit of a Mexican flavor to it.
Excellent. Yes, I'm so excited to be cooking with you again too, Terry. So today we are celebrating summer with a Manitoba Chicken Mexican Fiesta. So these are great, easy recipes that you can find on manitobachicken.ca. And we are going to whip up our grilled chicken and corn salsa tostados, and I'm going to encourage everyone to go to our website to make our tropical chicken taquitos that you can see right here.
Amazing.
So yeah, there's a couple reasons I absolutely love this recipe. I mean, we're always looking for good recipes in the summer, things that won't heat up our house, things that everyone will love, and things that travel well. And both of these recipes fit the bill for that. So with our corn tostados, I'm going to whip up this marinade with you. And what's really neat about it is half of it becomes a marinade on our chicken breast. The other half goes to flavor our fresh corn salsa.
So it's really one step, but you're going to get the marinade and the dressing.
Exactly. All right, so we start with the juice of 2 whole limes. Okay. Very flavorful and Mexican. And then we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use canola or your other favorite oil. We've got 2 teaspoons of ground cumin.
Honestly, I could put cumin in everything. It's one of my favorite spices.
It adds so much flavor. We've got half a teaspoon of smoked paprika.
Yes.
And then just a little bit of honey. So about a teaspoon just to sort of balance out the salty and the sweet. We've got a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon, and a couple dashes of hot sauce if you like. And
bring it on.
Yeah, bring it on. Okay.
It's hot in the summertime. We need heat in our food.
Yes, a little heat. Okay. So that's perfect. So that's so easy. So just pour half over our 3 chicken breasts. And these need to marinate for as little as 15 minutes in the fridge, or what I love to do is marinate them overnight because I love to get things organized ahead of time. And you can even pop these in a container or a Ziploc bag, bring them out to your campsite, your cottage. More time outside, less time in the kitchen when you get to your vacation destination.
Love that. And it just gives that more time for those flavors to really settle in if you do the overnight.
Yeah, especially when there's that citrus. Okay, so I'm going to have you pour the rest over top of our 1.5 cups of grilled corn. So you can use 3 cobs of corn. Just place them on the grill till they brown. Or you can do a little cheat. Take frozen corn and 1.5 cups in your pan, and it just browns up a little bit so it caramelizes the flavor of that corn. I'm going to get you to stir. So we've got a 1/3 cup of our cilantro. You and I
love cilantro person for sure.
If you're not
seems summery and fresh. Yeah, if you don't like it, leave it out.
You can leave it out. And that's the great thing about cooking, right? You can adjust recipes to suit your flavors, whatever your family enjoys, whatever you enjoy. We've got a small red onion.
Like that, just a little bit of sharpness added.
Yeah, and we've got a jalapeno pepper, 1 or 2, or you can use a sweet pepper as well.
I'll take it.
Perfect. Oh my goodness. That smells good.
It really does.
That looks good. It's just so simple. So Terry, all we do is just spoon that corn salsa right over our tostadas here.
This is easy. You can see how quickly this is coming together.
Easy, easy peasy.
So you've grilled up the chicken breast. We have to talk about the temperature of the chicken too.
Right. So the way you use a meat thermometer is you insert it into the thickest part of the chicken breast. And when it's boneless or bone-in chicken, it should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Or 74 degrees Celsius.
Very nice.
So it's just that simple. You never want to overcook your chicken, but you also don't want to undercook your chicken.
I love it. It looks delicious. I'm going to eat these 4, so we'll have to make more for you. Again, this recipe and the other of the
taquitos, our tropical chicken taquitos.
You'll find them on their website. We'll have a link to it on ours. Have a nice feast. It's the summertime.
It's summertime. Thanks, Terry.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and